If you watch one ad, you will get 30 cents. Watching second ad, you will earn 54 cents. You can make $2.49 every minute watching Google ads.
Is it real? Those who have seen this video will know very well that this boy is talking about a website where every minute if you see an ad, you can earn $2.49. In this way, you can earn up to $700 per day. So in today's video, I'll open 5 accounts on that website and try to earn for 5 days. Let's see if the website is true or false. Check today's date. Now I will go to Chrome browser and search cash5.com. The name of the website is Cash5. By going to the website, a homepage like this will appear in front of us. Now we will create the first account. For this, we'll click on the sign up option. To create an account, name, a verified email, password and date of birth are required. So I am filling them up. Say completed filling. Now click on I am not robot option and verify that. It will take some time. Just say my account has been successfully created. I got $10. I was paid $10 as a new member. Wow. See blue. 5 ads are given to us at a different rates. Now if we click on account info option, see our account information is displayed. So blue, there is an option called withdraw. Go there and see. See, we can withdraw this money through PayPal, Skrill, Paywall, etc. We can withdraw dollars through PayPal when the minimum $70 is filled in the account. So let's start watching ad. The first ad cost 57 cents. Let's click on it and start to watch. It seems to take 2 or 3 minutes for processing. We skip a bit.
2,000 years later.
Just see, the ad is finished and added 57 cents to my account. Now my account balance is $10.57. Now let's see the second ad. If we see it, we will get 62 cents. We'll click on the complete button to see the ad and wait for a while. Just look at my computer screen. We got another 62 cents. Now we have $11.19 in our account. In this way, we'll end watching by clicking third, fourth and fifth ad.
A few moments later.
Finally, after completing 5 ads, our account now has $12.49. With this account, no more ads can be seen within 24 hours. So what should I do? I'll open a second account and try this way. Please note that we required a verified email address to create an account. So where can I get so many email addresses? Wait, I also have the solution for it. You just type temporary email and search on Google. You will see many websites that provide verified email for free. So now I will go to one of these websites and copy a verified email addresses. Listen carefully. If you see the same email repeatedly on a website, you can try another website. If one website doesn't work, there are many other websites with this name you can try if you need it. So again, I go to Cash5 website and enter name, email address, date of birth and password to open a new account. One thing you must remember is that when you open a new account, remember the server number of that account, because when the next time you log in, you will need that server number. For this, I am keeping note of server number and account details. Account creation is complete. 5 ads have been given here. This time, I will complete all of them. See here, $12.49 earned. In this way, I will open third, fourth and fifth account and earn dollars through ads. Day 2. Today is the second day for February 2024. On the second day, I will also earn through ads with the all accounts. See here, I have noted down the Gmail and server name of all the accounts. This is my first account, so I will start with that. First, go to Cash5 website. Then log in with server, Gmail and password. See, I have already $12.49 in my account, which I earned yesterday. And below that, 5 new ads are showing. So now I will complete them. After viewing the ads, my account balance is $14.68. Now I will go to the second account. As before, I will log in the server name, Gmail and password. Now look, this is my second account. There are 5 ads here too. In this way, I will complete to watch ads with all the accounts. Day 3. Today is the third day of Cashvibe app. Also today, in the same way, I will log into all accounts and complete the task. So in this way, we'll complete the task of day 4 and day 5. Day 5. After 5 days, finally, let's see how many dollars have come to each account and how many dollars we can withdraw. So this is my account details. All account information is there. I will skip the first one because I earned something extra on this account. First, go to the second account. The account whose name was Rian. See his Gmail address. $19.2 earned in 5 days in this account. This is my third account. It earned $14.98. Why is it very less? Because in this account I fulfilled the task less. In the fourth account I earned $17.47. These are separate accounts. I can't add them and withdraw because to withdraw there must be a minimum balance of $70. So finally I will go to my main account and see how many dollars I earned in the main account. So this is my first account, also main account. You just see I have earned a total $71.17. That's great. Now I can withdraw with this money. So let's withdraw. So now I'll withdraw $70. Balance checking is in process. Then what was written? Sorry, you have not reached the minimum withdrawal amount. $10 referral balance and $60 ads balance. It is basically said here if you earn minimum $60 through ad, the earning can be withdrawn. But it is actually a fake website. No income can be earned from it. When you earn $50 or $55 by viewing ads, this website will stop serving ads or show you some other problem, but never pay you because they never involve in earning real dollars. If you come to this website, you will waste your time, your energy, etc. The result will be nothing. And those who are promoting this website are even a front, making these silly videos mainly to get some views. Always remember one thing, money will not come to you without hard work and without difficulty. If you have to earn money online, then start a business online or learn a skill and use that skill to earn money using Upwork, Fiverr platform. So don't waste your valuable time on the fraud website.